always talking technicals. Catch Rajat Bose and ck.Narayan every weekday between 11 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. only on ET Now. Always thinking markets.
CK, let me start off with you and let's revisit your earlier calls.
We have two pending positions. One is a covered right in United Spirits, where we went long the future and sold a 1,000 rupee call. At the moment we are having the best of both worlds. The long future is up about 5-6 rupees and the short call is down by about 7-8 rupees. But I'm not wanting to book any profits on that. I believe there is more to come, so I would want to hold on to this particular position. And similarly, we have a position in Dabur which we initiated yesterday at about 123, and that's sort of marginally up by about a rupee or so. So that is another position we continue to hold.
Your fresh strategies?
Well, I'm wanting to go long into stocks which have been fairly steady, and even through the sharp declines that we are seeing in stock as well as index in the last couple of sessions. One of them is Z, which is at about 166 rupees currently in September series. I would go long with a stop loss at 162, looking for a target in the region of 172 to 175. Second one, similarly positioned, is Sun Pharma, currently at about 675 to 680 is the range that I would like to go long in this. Currently I think 678, and keeping a stop loss at about 665 on this one, and looking for a target at about 690.
Sandeep, what is it that...
I think the rolls are progressing along normal lines. I don't see too much of a difference. I hear from the market that, there is going a lot of positions which are left over and not really roll because the yields have not been there. But these kind of rumors keep on surfacing every expiry, and then you find that more or less the 3-month average is always achieved, give it a percentage here and there. So as far as the rolls are concerned, I have never really found some very tangible kind of information which says that so and so sector, because it rolled, let's say 95%, that is deemed to be stronger or weaker or in any form. So I don't really put too much store by how much of rolls have taken place as a kind of a forecasting indicator. Instead, I would rather look at specific build-ups in OI in specific stocks and chart patterns in specific stocks. That is so much more indicative. I think rolls are pretty much along normal lines. Okay, a percentage point here and there may happen. I think there will be some small bit of action today in the VWAP at the end. But barring that, I don't really see the rollover throwing up any significant kind of information for us that we can sort of rely on to make forecasts for the future.